Welcome to my channel. Today I will give a powerful review on the Porsche 718 Boxster EV. Stay tuned all through for the electrifying information. Subscription is still free, kindly let's push that button. If it's your first time, the Porsche 718 Boxster EV is an exciting addition to the world of electric sports cars, bringing a dynamic, thrilling driving experience that Porsche enthusiasts crave while embracing the future of electric mobility. Here's an in-depth review of what we can expect from this electric roadster. Let's subscribe to this channel so you can always get more reviews on Porsche. And are you searching for a specific Porsche channel review, a Porsche 718 Boxster EV for reviews? Here it is. It should be noted that this channel is considered as a hot sub-Saharan Porsche review channel in vehicle trading areas. Although we shall host other vehicles, it might be as good as for your vehicle educational knowledge. You will find the Porsche 718 Boxster EV review that you are looking for only here and today. Performance driving experience. The 718 Boxster has always been known for its sporty handling and lively performance, and the electric version aims to keep that spirit alive. With its electric motors, the Boxster EV is expected to deliver instant torque, which translates to quick acceleration and a smooth, exhilarating ride. The electric powertrain should allow for rapid 0 to 60 miles per hour times, potentially even faster than the current gas-powered Boxster models. The electric Boxster will likely maintain the signature rear mid-engine layout, ensuring a balanced weight distribution and exceptional handling. Expect the steering to remain sharp and responsive, a hallmark of Porsche's driving experience. Porsche's precise engineering would likely provide a fun, engaging driving experience whether you're on twisty roads or at high speeds. Battery and range. As with any EV, one of the most important aspects is the battery range. The 718 Boxster EV will likely come equipped with a decent battery pack that should provide a range of around 250 to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on driving style and road conditions. This should be sufficient for most daily drives, weekend road trips, and spirited drives on scenic routes. Porsche's impressive charging technology, including fast charging capabilities, will allow the car to recharge rapidly, making longer journeys more feasible. Expect the car to be compatible with fast chargers, bringing the battery from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Design and interior. The 718 Boxster EV's exterior design will stay true to the brand's DNA, likely retaining the compact, athletic proportions of the gas-powered Boxster with some tweaks to incorporate the electric powertrain. Expect a modern, sleek look with advanced aerodynamics to improve efficiency, but still staying true to that iconic roadster design. Inside, the 718 Boxster EV will feature a modern and minimalist layout with high-quality materials and advanced tech. You can expect the same level of craftsmanship that Porsche is known for, with luxurious touches and modern connectivity. The infotainment system will likely feature an upgraded interface with seamless smartphone integration, voice control, and maybe even more advanced features like augmented reality navigation. Technology features. Porsche is known for integrating cutting-edge tech into its vehicles, so expect the 718 Boxster EV to come with a suite of driver assistance systems and advanced features. This could include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an optional semi-autonomous driving mode. The cabin will be equipped with high-end materials, premium infotainment, and a fully digital display cluster. Price and competition. The price of the 718 Boxster EV will be positioned as a premium option, likely starting in the $60,000 to $75,000.